Hi guys, this is Ashish and today's topic is dominant behavior gets you girlfriend. If you like the video, do subscribe. So let's start the topic. We are told in our society and by our family members that we should care, we should have respect, we should respect others, we should be honest. We are taught these things. And now what happens with this is the guy keeps doing these things to the girl whom he is attracted to. He keeps on doing it for such a long time, expecting that she will become his girlfriend one time, at some point of time. But that doesn't happen. 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, he keeps doing that, but she doesn't become his girlfriend. And one day, some random guy comes and makes her his girlfriend. He's not nice, he's not sweet, he's smart, he's not very honest, but still she becomes his girlfriend. And this guy wastes years and years for this girl, thinking that she will become his girlfriend. He doesn't try to ask other girls out, he doesn't get different numbers, and he wastes so much time just thinking that she will become his girlfriend. Guys, you have to get this point that these things which have been taught that nice guys and all, girls don't like that. Girls don't like honest guys. Even though they may say that, but they don't prefer guys who are honest, who are caring, who are very nice. They actually treat you as a friend. They just need a shoulder to cry on. They treat you like that, but you think that she is your girlfriend. Now, the problem is what? Till the time she finds a guy whom she is attracted to, she gives this guy importance, time, energy, which this guy interprets as she's going to become his girlfriend, which is completely wrong. She's not attracted to him as a girlfriend. She is just comfortable with him as a friend. She shares with him everything as she's comfortable. She doesn't think beyond that. So these girls confuse a lot. This you have to remember. Please. I've written some points so that I don't forget. So 6 months, years, sometimes it happens 6 months. After 6 months, the girl becomes some other guy's girlfriend. After 1 year, 2 years. But ultimately your time is getting wasted. So you need to get this thing very clear. Girls don't like nice guys. It may sound rude that girls don't like nice guys, but this is the fact. I can't lie to you guys. You have to remember that. Okay? Too sweet, too honest, but don't lie. You have to do exactly opposite of what we have been taught. Like, you have to be a mystery. You have to hide the truths. Sometimes you may have to lie so that her interest increases. Too sweet, too honest, opening up too much doesn't help. It reduces your chances, in fact. Now, dominant behavior. That guy who made this girl his girlfriend, he was not sweet. He was dominant. He was smart. He was a mystery. He was not giving too much importance to the girl. That's why this girl became his girlfriend. Now, dominant behavior means what? Dominant behavior also has to be done in a right way. In short, if I have to explain, dominant behavior means choose the field which you are good at. Simple. If you choose that field which you are not interested in, you can't dominate, you won't excel, and you will regret. There are some guys who are doing a job just for the sake of doing that job. They're not interested in that. Forcefully they are doing. See, for example, I am good at badminton. If I go and play badminton professionally, I have higher chances of attracting girls. I have higher chances of getting fame, popularity, etc. But if, for example, I don't play good football, but if I go to play football and try to attract girls, I may crack, but I will reduce my chances. On the other hand, if a guy is good at football, he may increase his chances there and reduce his chances in badminton. So if I go to play football, I'll reduce my chances. If he comes to play badminton, he reduces his chances. It's not that he's not good at football. The only thing is that every person cannot be good at everything in this world. It is genetics basically. It comes from within. Like, for example, when I play badminton, I don't think of doing hard work. I don't think of putting in energy. I don't think of playing 4 to 8 hours. It just happens. I enjoy it. I love it. hard work happens automatically, fitness happens automatically, fame or maybe popularity or everything comes automatically. I'm not forcing myself. But guys, what they think, they try to force themselves to become good at something, and not only that, they think that will bring them fame or maybe popularity. Dominant doesn't mean you start fighting with random people by just saying that I'm better than you. Your play in sports, your play should speak more than your words. Action speaks louder than words. Similarly, in business, your business will speak more than your word. You don't have to say that I'm better than you in business. So actions, that will attract girls. And if you follow your dreams, nothing can beat that. Everyone can't be a professional, as I said. Dominant in a right way. Celebrities, like for example, you take celebrities. They get girls very easily because celebrities have an advantage that they have a very good fame. They are popular. They are having enough money. These things definitely attract women. So ultimately what they are doing, they are following their passion, what they are good at. Now for example, to be an actor you have to do theatre. A normal guy, if he goes to the theatre, he will get bored. But these celebrities won't get bored. They will enjoy doing theatre. They will enjoy doing acting, and they won't make fool out of themselves when told to do something, because they are following their passion and they are good at it. In fact, if a person is not good at acting and if he is in the acting forcefully, he will make fool out of himself. Everyone will laugh at him when he is doing something. He will make fun of him, and popularity, everything will become worst. It won't fall into place. Exactly opposite will happen. Destruction will happen. Okay? Sorry, I'm just... success leads to everything. Success leads to girls. Uninterested field selection won't lead to everything. Everything means what? Money, fame, popularity, enjoyment, happiness, internal happiness. It's also in fitness. Like for example, for fitness, some people forcefully go for running. Like for me, if I go for running, I may do it for 1 month, 2 months. After that, I'll get bored. But if I play badminton, which I'm interested in, I enjoy it, hard work happens automatically. Fitness will come automatically, and I'll enjoy it also. And I can do it long term, for lifelong if I want. Unlike running 1 month, 2 months I'll do. After that I'll be like, no, I can't do that. So always think about long term, and long term will only happen if you choose a field which you are interested in. That will make you dominant also in a right way, and which will lead to girls, lots of girls. Mark my words. Hard work is not required. Smart work is required. Proper field selection is required. So, in the gist, I would have written and I have covered all, I guess. Gist is that if you follow your passion, everything will fall into place, including girls which you are interested in. Fame, success, money, girls, that is one part. Internal satisfaction, internal happiness. Hard work you're not doing, you're enjoying it. That's why hard work is automatically happening. Internal happiness, organs will be fit. Everything will happen automatically. You don't have to think for one particular specific thing in a different way. For example, you don't have to think of fitness in a different way and go for fitness in a different field. This field itself will cover the fitness. This field itself will cover the fame. So I hope I made you clear. So what does dominant behavior mean? Dominant behavior in a right way is very important. Basically, ultimately everything boils down to field selection. Right field selection will get you everything. Everything means everything. Internal happiness, money, fame. As I said, I don't want to repeat again and again. So get this thing in your head. Girls don't like nice guys, honest guys, truthful guys, who are too honest, caring, who are clingy, just keep messaging and saying I love you and all that. Girls don't like guys who try to say I will commit suicide or I'll have some capsule if you don't say yes to me. That's a sign of weakness. Girls like guys who are ready to leave them without saying it. If she's not saying yes, they won't have a capsule or commit suicide. They'll be like okay, and they will move on. Girls like those type of guys. Girls like mystery. Girls like smart guys. Girls like who don't care, who are a mystery, unclear thoughts. And you don't have to waste your time on one particular for such a long time. Within 1 or 2 months, you will get to know that girl is interested in you or not. If it takes more than 3 months, then you're history. You don't have to waste your time. In fact, keep asking out girls, different numbers. That will help you out. Okay, guys. I hope I made myself clear. Please, guys, I request you, please subscribe so that I get motivation. And here are 2 videos which you can see if you click here, and here is the button. If you click here, you will subscribe. And if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. If you want a video to be made on a particular topic, write in the comment section. Thank you, guys. This is Ashish signing off.